The version of you that keeps you looking back, it can't take you to where you're meant to go. If you're tired of feeling stuck, tired of wondering why life isn't changing the way you want it to, stay with me. Everyone says, remember where you came from. But what if? What if the real power is in forgetting who you used to be? Today, we're going to talk about how to truly let go of the past, stop living in old patterns, and start building a future that's so good it makes you forget why you ever looked back. If you're ready for real personal growth, emotional healing, and building a life you actually love waking up to, then this is your video. Let's get into it. Have you ever tried running a race while looking behind you? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what we're doing when we keep living in the past. We hold on to who we used to be, the mistakes, the heartbreaks, the almost dreams. When you let go of the past, you free up all that heavy energy you've been carrying around with you. And as a result, you create space for new experiences, new people, new opportunities. This is where personal growth and emotional healing really start. It's scary, I know, to let go. But trust me, on the other side of that fear is clarity, peace, and a life you can't even imagine yet. You do deserve that. Want to know the fastest way to change your life? Break the patterns. Old habits feel safe because they're familiar, even when they hurt. It's not because you're weak or broken. It's because your brain and your nervous system are wired for survival, not happiness. Breaking old patterns is how you start moving forward in life. It's how you reclaim your power. Every time you say no to an old habit that doesn't serve you, you say yes to the new you that's trying to be born. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up every day with a little more intention, a little more courage. You are stronger than your past. Before I go any further, if you're enjoying the content in this video, I would so appreciate it if you would click like and subscribe and ring that bell. You've heard it a million times. Just give it time. But what if time alone isn't enough? Waiting around, hoping the past will magically stop, doesn't work. What heals you is intentional action, mindfulness, emotional healing practices, and choosing to move forward on purpose. This means doing things such as journaling your feelings, setting boundaries, picking up new hobbies, focusing on self improvement, working on your mindset transformation, and yes, above all else, loving yourself a little more. These small steps rebuild your confidence and they create real self love and acceptance. You do have the tools inside of you, and every small choice you make today builds the stronger, freer, more joyful you that you've been dreaming about for tomorrow. Imagine this: the strongest, happiest version of you is standing just down the road, waiting for you to catch up. Your future self, the one who knows peace, confidence, and purpose, is absolutely real. But it cannot pull you forward if you're stuck dragging the old you like dead weight. Moving forward in life means stepping into self-discovery, building a better future, and finding inner peace and clarity. It means trusting that healing from the past is possible. You don't have to be perfect to move forward. You just have to be willing. Your future self is cheering you on, so don't leave you waiting. And right when you feel like giving up, that's when you know you're the closest to your breakthrough. Moving on isn't a straight line. It is messy. It's full of setbacks, but every step, every tear, every hard choice brings you closer to becoming the best self you can be. Mindfulness and healing aren't just buzzwords. They're the way you transform your mindset, break old patterns, and find inner peace and clarity. Each little step you take moves you from being stuck in the past to building the life you deserve. You're not starting over. You're starting fresh with wisdom and strength that you earned. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. You have everything you need inside of you to let go of the past and move toward the life you're meant to live. Start today. You don't have to have it all figured out. Just take your first steps. Your future is waiting, and it's brighter than you could ever imagine. I'm rooting for you. I believe in you, and I can't wait to see what beautiful things you build. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a comment if any of these suggestions helped you. I would love to know, or just feel free to say hello. I truly believe in the power of community. We all heal better together. And if someone you know could benefit from this video, please share this with them. Sometimes just knowing that someone really cares can make all the difference. Please watch my next video, how your emotions can literally make you sick. Discover the hidden link between emotions, stress, physical illness, and how to start healing from the inside out. Thanks for joining me today. And remember, you are not alone. Go find your joy.